Hi everyone, welcome back to It's Dwight Cooking Show. Yes, it's me, Dwight. Today I'll be giving you a brown stew fish like none other before. This brown stew fish, I'm going to be cooking it down with strawberries and pineapple. Yes, you heard it right. Brown stew fish cooked down with strawberry and pineapple. Everyone, I know earlier you saw my fish was on paper towel. What I do is try to soak out all the water after washing it with vinegar and lime. So now I'm going to be preparing the seasoning for it. So with fish it's only two seasoning: black pepper and salt. Hey guys, I'm back. Now before I had put my fish on table towels or table towels. Sorry about that. But guys, to soak out the water so that when you're ready to fry, it's not splashing because of the water that's getting into the oil. So now I've gone ahead and just black pepper. Not a lot of seasoning when you're doing fish recipe. It's just black pepper and salt. Right? Shit. Not a lot. And guys, please remember when you're handling your meat to use gloves. So for today, as I said, I'm going to be giving you steamed fish, or brown stew fish to be exact, with a twist strawberry flavor sauce. Thank you guys for watching, and thanks again for the support. There we are guys, and garlic powder on it, and I have some strawberry here that I've cut up to juice most of it and make the sauce. Guys, welcome back. So now I have my oil here hot, being heated. I was about to say hotted, but I have my oil here heating. So now I'm going to just wait for it to get to the right temperature, and then I add my fish. Okay guys, I'm back again, and I think the oil is now ready for me to put the fish in. Now guys, you want to do this gently. And then you're going to let them get brown on each side before you replace them with other slices of fish to be cooked. Okay guys, now the first set are ready to be taken out, because of course you see the texture and the color. You're ready to take out and add the rest of the fish. Okay guys, I'm back again. Well, as you can see, I'm now going to prepare the next step. Most of my fish got kind of crushed, I guess because I don't know, but the first set was fried properly, but the rest of it got crushed. But guys, it happens. So I'm just going to continue with the recipe, and I hope you guys like it. Some of my seasoning that I'm going to be adding to the pot now guys. To be honest, a lot of stuff I haven't gotten when I went out, so I'm just gonna do my best with what I can. Okay guys, so I went ahead and add my oil, and then I'm going to add my seasoning. Okay guys, so I'm adding my flavors to the pot. Guys, now I'm going to go ahead and press the strawberries to get the juice and also the pulp to add to my sauce. I'm going to add a teaspoon of sugar, just like a half a cup of water. Now I'm going to add my mixture to the sauce that I already have. Stir it around. Guys, the strawberry flavor is so smelly. Guys, look at that sauce. I went ahead and add some diced pineapple. Now guys, when you're in the kitchen and you're cooking your dinner, whatever come to your mind to add to your pot to make the flavor, or whatever dish you think about at home and decide to make, remember, if you don't do it, you won't experience or know how it tastes, because every great chef out there made mistakes in their life, and sometimes those mistakes come and to be a great dish that is spread worldwide. You think people just get up and invent a dish? I remember growing up in the country, and your granny cook the rice and it spoil, and what they turn it out to be? Rice porridge. So now I'm going to add the fish pieces to the pot. Of course, I told you already, you guys, most of the fish is broken up. I find that whenever I'm cooking fish or frying fish, that happens a lot. So what I'm gonna do now, guys, is just leave that to steam and to get the texture and all the flavors to blend in. So I'm going to cover it up now and put it on medium to low heat. Okay guys, there you go, the finishing product. What I want you to do right now is join me at the table. Thank you guys for watching. This has been an innovating recipe. Thanks again. Okay guys, there you go. This is one of the presentation. This is actually my dinner, served with some natural pineapple juice.